Welcome back to RV Road Report, your one-stop spot for the world's finest, rugged, and most luxurious homes on wheels. Today, we're featuring a jaw-dropping marvel, the Mercedes Grech RV camper van motorhome, built to dominate any terrain while pampering you with high-end comfort. It comes in a vibrant white finish, with rugged long body and 4x4 wheels that promise both muscle and class. So buckle up, RV lovers, because we're diving deep into this $289,000 rolling palace. You're going to want to see every inch of this masterpiece. Exterior front view. Microphone hash, check out this commanding front view. Sleek lines, an aggressive stance, and that bold Mercedes emblem shining proudly on the grille. Parked gracefully in the official Grech RV showroom, this van already screams premium. LED headlights are sharply cut, giving it a futuristic edge, while the blacked-out grille and chrome detailing elevate the style factor. The front bumper is slightly lifted, enhancing off-road confidence. This isn't just a camper, it's a statement. And Mercedes made sure you'll be seen and remembered wherever you roll. Topside view. Microphone hash, let's head up top, where the smart design truly shines. Mounted on the roof are high-output solar panels, delivering off-grid independence with reliable energy flow. A compact, high-sensitivity antenna ensures full connectivity on the move, while the roof-mounted AC unit keeps things perfectly chilled inside, even in desert heat. There's even an overhead roof vent and skylight for natural light and airflow. The roof isn't just for tech, it's part of the RV's energy-efficient brain. Every square inch up there serves a purpose. Backside view. Microphone hash. Now let's take a walk to the rear. Tucked neatly is an extra tire, mounted for quick access, a must-have for overlanders and remote explorers. Right below, there's a sturdy cycle carrier that can hold up to 2 bikes with anti-rattle locks and adjustable rails. The rear camera sits snug above the doors, assisting in parking this beast. Dual back doors open wide to give access to the rear cabin. This space is built for convenience, and it shows. Everything is placed with precision and purpose. Side view. Microphone hash, now this side view, it's where luxury camping really begins. Extending out is a powered retractable awning, your shaded retreat wherever you stop. Underneath, there's space for 2 lounge chairs and a compact table, perfect for sipping morning coffee or watching sunsets. Along the body, flush-mounted windows, chrome handles, and trim add extra style. And of course, those 4x4 wheels with off-road tread tell you this van isn't afraid of adventure. This side is all about relaxing outdoors while staying close to luxury. Driving compartment. Microphone hash, inside the cockpit, you'll find a driver-focused cabin that's pure Mercedes magic. Soft touch leather seats with heat and lumbar support make long hauls easy. The dual LED screens include a 12-inch infotainment hub and a dedicated rear view monitor, helpful when backing up this long body van. The digital instrument cluster, voice control, ambient lighting, and even built-in navigation all scream sophistication. The controls feel intuitive, and visibility is excellent. Every button, knob, and screen is designed to keep the driver confident and comfortable. Sitting and sleeping area. Microphone hash, just a few steps behind the driver's seat, and you're in your comfort zone. The multifunction sofa folds out into a plush queen-size bed, perfect for 2. The interior features LED mood lighting, upper cabinetry for storage, and sleek wood panel walls for a cozy, high-end cabin feel. Soft cushions, blackout curtains, and sound insulation make resting here a dream. During the day, this turns into your lounge zone with a fold-out table for dining or work. Versatile, elegant, and built for daily use. Kitchen. Microphone hash, this compact kitchen punches way above its weight. You've got a dual burner induction cooktop, microwave, stainless steel sink with a modern faucet, and a deep storage drawer system. The mini fridge is energy efficient and surprisingly spacious. There's even an overhead spice rack and soft close cabinetry. LED task lighting illuminates your cooking zone, while the window next to the kitchen adds fresh air and views while prepping meals. Whether you're boiling water or cooking up a full dinner, this setup's got you. Washroom. Microphone hash, don't let the size fool you. This compact washroom is a definition of clever design. Step inside and you'll find a full-size flush toilet, corner-mounted sink with a vanity mirror, and a water-saving shower unit with a fold-down bamboo floor insert. Everything is well-sealed, easy to clean, and ventilated with a powered roof vent. Even the walls are lined with water-resistant panels. Whether you're boondocking or camping, this washroom keeps you fresh and ready. It's a tiny space with a huge impact. Microphone hash. So, what's the final word on this masterpiece? The Mercedes Grech RV camper van motorhome delivers style, rugged durability, and ultimate convenience all in one premium package. With its vibrant white finish, 4x4 drivetrain, and smart luxury throughout, this RV is priced at $289,000, and honestly, it earns every dollar. Perfect for full-time van lifers or luxury road warriors. Let us know, would you take this dream machine across the country? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time on RV Road Report.